Welcome back, developers and coders. Today, we're diving into one of the most transformative tools in modern software development, GitHub Copilot. If you're still writing every line of code manually, you're about to discover how AI can supercharge your programming productivity. Imagine having a senior developer by your side, ready to help at any moment. That's what Copilot offers: a true AI pair programmer. In this video, we'll explore how Copilot changes the way we write code, making the process faster, smarter, and more enjoyable. Let's get started and see how this tool can become your new coding companion. GitHub Copilot is more than just an autocomplete tool. It's an AI-powered code completion assistant that suggests entire lines or blocks of code as you type. Trained on billions of lines of public code, Copilot understands dozens of programming languages and adapts to your coding style. It reads your code and comments to understand what you're building, supports multiple languages like Python, JavaScript, and Go, and provides real-time recommendations directly in your editor. Powered by OpenAI's Codex model, Copilot can suggest entire functions, turn comments into code, generate tests, and even explain complex code. It's like having an expert navigator guiding you through your coding journey. Getting started with GitHub Copilot is simple. First, subscribe to Copilot for a monthly fee. Then, install the Copilot extension for your preferred editor, whether it's VS Code, JetBrains, or NeoVim. Sign in with your GitHub account and enable Copilot in your editor settings. Once set up, just start typing code and watch as suggestions appear. Accept a suggestion with Tab, or cycle through options using keyboard shortcuts. You can also configure Copilot to work with specific file types, adjust how aggressive the suggestions are, and set up organization-wide policies. Your first experience might be as simple as typing a comment like, "Create a function to calculate Fibonacci numbers," and seeing Copilot generate the code for you. GitHub Copilot offers a range of powerful features that go beyond simple code completion. It can suggest entire functions and classes, turn natural language comments into working code, and even generate unit tests for your functions. For example, start typing a function to calculate a circle's area, and Copilot will complete it for you. If you write a comment like, "Create a function to validate email addresses," Copilot will generate the code, including regular expressions. You can also see multiple suggestions for a single task, compare different approaches, and quickly generate tests to validate your code. These features make Copilot a versatile tool for developers of all levels. As you become more comfortable with Copilot, you'll discover advanced techniques that make your workflow even smoother. Copilot provides context-aware suggestions, adapting to your codebase and style. It can help you integrate APIs by generating functions to fetch data, assist with database operations like inserting users into SQLite, and even learn your error handling patterns to suggest consistent solutions. Whether you're building classes, handling exceptions, or working with external services, Copilot's advanced features help you write robust, maintainable code faster than ever before. GitHub Copilot isn't limited to just one programming language. It supports Python for data analysis, JavaScript and TypeScript for web development, HTML and CSS for responsive design, and even SQL for database queries. For example, you can ask Copilot to load and clean data in Python, create reusable React components in TypeScript, build navigation bars in HTML, CSS, or write complex SQL queries. This multi-language support means you can rely on Copilot for a wide range of projects, making it a valuable tool for full-stack development and beyond. To get the most out of Copilot, follow best practices, write specific comments, provide context with variable names, and break complex tasks into smaller steps. Always review AI-generated code for quality and security, especially for authentication or user input handling. Copilot Chat, also known as Copilot X, adds interactive assistance use commands like explain to understand code, transform to refactor, or debug for troubleshooting. This makes Copilot not just a code generator, but a learning and debugging partner. helping you improve your skills and code quality over time. GitHub Copilot delivers real-world productivity boosts. Developers report coding up to 40% faster, with fewer errors and less time spent searching documentation. It's great for generating boilerplate code, integrating APIs, writing tests, and accelerating onboarding for new team members. However, Copilot isn't perfect. It may suggest outdated or insecure code, and sometimes hallucinates non-existent APIs. Always review its suggestions, especially for security-critical or licensed code. Consider the cost $10 per month for individuals and weigh it against your productivity gains. Used wisely, Copilot can transform your workflow, but human oversight remains essential. GitHub Copilot is more than just a tool, it's a paradigm shift in software development. By handling repetitive coding tasks, it frees you to focus on architecture, problem-solving, and creativity. The best developers will be those who learn to collaborate with AI, using it to amplify their skills rather than replace them. As you start your journey with Copilot, remember, AI writes the code, but you write the future. Copilot just helps you get there faster. Embrace this new era of coding, and let your creativity and expertise shine alongside your AI pair programmer.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.